I'm Lynette from ServiceMaster, Contract Services Liverpool. We're doing a demonstration today on how to clean high touch plates. This is more important now with COVID-19. The areas that we're looking at are things like door handles, alarms, handrails, keypads, toilet doors, taps in the toilets, and anything you think that many people are going to touch.
Okay, so you're ready to go now. You have your antibacterial and you have your disposable cloth. So again, remembering all touch plates that people may use when entering the building. So here we have a keypad and we have a buzzer system and intercom system, which many people use, like the postman and delivery drivers. Again, turning your cloth over with another clean surface now. Remember, it's already been sprayed, and always spray your cloth first. You do your door handles. Here we are now in reception. So in reception, again, we do the door handles. We also have an exit button that you need to press to go out. So again, this gets touched by lots of people when they exit the building. Turning the cloth over, we're now going to move to the light switches. We're doing handrails now, because again, when people are walking up and down stairs, they always come down using either side of the handrail. Okay, so now we're in the office. To reduce the risk of cross-contamination, this process should be done regularly on a regular basis.